Welcome to Regal Classes. My name is Sanjay Vishwa. In this video, we are going to solve practice set 1.5, which is applications of linear equations in two variables. Please subscribe so that we can send you intimation for our new videos. Reference Maharashtra SSC Board textbook, Mathematics 1. This is going to be practice set 1.5, which is applications. See the first question, two numbers differ by 3, sum of twice the smaller and thrice the greater number is 19. Find the two numbers. So let the greater number be x and the smaller number be y. Difference of two numbers is 3. That is the first statement. So x minus y is equal to 3. Second statement says twice the smaller number, which is 2y, and thrice the greater number, which is 3x. Their sum is 19. So 3x plus 2y is 19. That is the second equation. Now solving these two equations by Cramer's rule, you have dx, dy, solve them. D is equal to 5, dx is equal to 25, and dy is equal to 10. So x is equal to dx by d, which is 25 by 5 is equal to 5. Y is equal to dy by d is equal to 10 upon 5 is equal to 2. So the greater number is 5, smaller number is 2. You can see the difference of 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3x, that is 15, 2y is 4, sum is 19. The second problem is complete the following: 2x plus y plus 8 on one side, then second side is 2y, opposite side is 4x minus y for the first one, opposite side for the second one, x plus 4. Now since opposite sides of rectangle are equal, we say 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 4x minus y. Simplify this equation such that we can express in standard form. You get 2x minus 2y is equal to 8, dividing by 2 you get x minus y is equal to 4. Second is 2y is equal to x plus 4. So taking 2y on the other side, bringing 4 on this side, so you have x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. We solve these two equations simultaneously, that is subtract the second equation from the first one, so you get xx get cancelled, and then you have y we are subtracting, so minus 2y becomes plus 2y, and minus 4 becomes plus 4, so you are left with y, which is equal to 8. Place y in equation 1, and you get x minus 8 is equal to 4, so x is equal to 4 plus 8 equal to 12. So the sides of rectangle are 2y is one side, and second side, which is 2 into 8 equal to 16, and second side is 4x minus y, which is equal to 40. So the perimeter is 2 into 16 plus 40, 56 into 2, 112 units. Area is 16 into 40, 640 square units. Answer xy is 40, 16, perimeter 112, and area is 640. You can write that in the blank. Go to third sum. The sum of father's age and twice age of son, twice the age of son is 70. If we double the age of father and add it to the age of son, the sum is 95. Find their ages. Let the age of son be x, age of father be y. So father's age y, and twice the son's age 2x. Sum is 70. 2x plus y is equal to 70. Now double the age of father, 2y. Add to the age of son, which is x. X plus 2y is equal to 95. These two equations we solve simultaneously by elimination method, and you get x is equal to 15. Placing x equal to 15 in equation 1, you get y is equal to 40. So age of son is 15 and age of father is 40. For some denomination of a fraction is 4, more than twice its numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both denominator and numerator are reduced by 6. Find the fraction. So let the denominator be x, numerator be y, denominator is 4 more than numerator. So x minus 2y is equal to 4. Because denominator is x, numerator is y, twice, then twice the numerator. This is not the numerator, but this is twice the numerator. Twice the numerator. More than twice the numerator. So x minus 2y is equal to 4. We reduce denominator and numerator by 6. Denominator is equal to x minus 6. Numerator is y minus 6. So denominator is equal to x minus y is equal to 12 into y minus 6. 12 times. Simplify this equation, you get second equation. So subtracting equation 2 from 1, you eliminate x and you get minus 2y plus 12y is 10y. 4 plus 66 equal to 70. So y is equal to 7. Place y in equation 1 and you get x is equal to 18. So the fraction is 7 divided by 18. So here it is twice the numerator. Two types of boxes are to be placed in a truck with capacity 10 tons. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 box type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. But when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B, so that it is fully loaded. Find the weight of each type of box. Let the weight of each type of box A type A should be x tons, and weight of each type of B y tons. When 150 boxes of A, that is 150x, and 100 boxes of type B, which is 100y, are loaded in the truck, the weight is 10 tons. So which is 150x plus 100y is equal to 10. If we load 260 boxes of type A, 260x, we can still load 40 boxes of type B, which is 40y, to get 10 tons. So 260x plus 40y is equal to 10. Solve the two equations simultaneously. Use Cramer's rule. Now to simplify the equation, you can divide by 10 in both the equations. So it gets simplified. Now using Cramer's rule, dx Cramer's rule, and you have dx is equal to minus 6, dy is equal to minus 11, d is equal to minus 200. So x is equal to dx by d is equal to minus 6 by minus 200 into 6 by 200 tons, which is 6 by 200 into 1000. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. So it's equal to 30 kgs. 200 into 5 is 1000, 5 into 6 is 60. Minus 11 divided by minus 200, which is 11 by 200, and multiply by 1000, so it becomes 55 kg. So that is the answer. Verify by placing value in question. Go to sixth question. Out of 1900 kilometers, Vishal travels some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Bus travels with average speed of 60 km per hour, and average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. Takes 5 hours to complete the journey. find the distance Vishal traveled by bus. Let the distance traveled by Vishal by bus is x kilometer and distance traveled by aeroplane is y. So total distance 1900 kilometer, x plus y is equal to 1900. Total time taken by Vishal for his journey is 5 hours. So time taken for travel by bus is distance divided by speed is equal to x divided by 60. Time taken for travel by aeroplane is y upon 700. Same formula, distance upon speed. Now x plus 60 plus y upon 700 is the total time taken, which is equal to 5 hours. So multiplying throughout by 700, you get 700 x by 60 plus y is equal to 3500. Second equation, why we multiplied by 700 is to get y separately so that we can subtract equation 2 from 1. So when we do that, you get 700 into x by 60 is minus x is equal to 1600. Taking LCM 60, you get 700 minus 60 divided by x, and taking out that 60 on the other side, it becomes 1600 into 60. X is equal to 1600 into 60 by 640. Now dividing 1600 by 160, you get 10. Dividing 640 by 160, you get 4. So ultimately you get 10 into 60 divided by 4 is equal to 150, and therefore the answer is 150 kilometers. The next video lecture shall be on problem set number 1. So please subscribe so that we can give you intimation of our lectures.